Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my unboxing of the jewelry box from Silver and Gold. You know, if it's an unboxing, Dexter has to run over to see if there's anything for him in the box. But no, there's nothing for Dexter in this box because this is actually a jewelry subscription box, and this is my second box from Silver and Gold of their jewelry box, a monthly subscription, and I absolutely love it. So what I have here is the March box. So I'm showing this to you early in case you're interested in signing up for it. Not every box is exactly the same, but you can expect to get 2 to 3 pieces of real sterling silver or gold jewelry, valuing of up to $175, and this only costs $35 a month, plus free shipping. And then for your first box, you get $10 off automatically. And I want to thank Silver and Gold for sending me this box. I like to give the disclaimer when a product or a subscription box was sent to me for free, but you know that my videos are always completely honest. And without further ado, I'm too excited. Let's see what I got in my box. So I love that they give a bonus discount, so you can get 20% off any item online. If you go to silverandgold.com and use the code MYGIFT, you'll get 20% off. And I highly recommend you check out that website. They have so many beautiful jewelry pieces, and they also have a bunch of different subscriptions that you can sign up for. They have a Ring of the Month club, they have an allergy friendly box, they have a gold box, a silver box. So I just think this is such an amazing gift to get yourself or someone else, and you can make sure it's exactly what the person would want. So let's see what I got. And it says, thank you for supporting this small business. I love supporting small businesses. Oh, awesome. So this is actually a ring sizer, and it's a free gift that you get in your box. So then you let them know what your ring size is, so then you can get rings going forward. And I love rings. I think I'm a size 7, but let's see. So you just stick it through here and then tighten it to your size. Oh, this is so cool. So yeah, I'm still size 7 exactly, but then you could use this to figure out what size you are for any rings. Like on my middle finger, so it'd probably be an 8, maybe even a 9. This is fun. And great to have on hand for if anyone's ever trying to figure out what size ring they are. And now moving on to the products here. Oh my gosh, on top I see this looks like a peridot earring, and that's actually my birthstone. The August birthstone is this green peridot. I am so excited about this. I don't think they even knew that this is my birthstone. This is so perfect, and I love these little stud earrings. I mean, they're not that little. These are some pretty substantial sized gemstones, but I am so excited. I absolutely love these. These are earrings that I would wear on a daily basis because most of the time I'm just wearing like some easy studs that I don't change out very often. I really should get into changing my earrings up more often, but this is so perfect for me. I'm so excited about my first product. Oh, and I should pull out here some product information. You know I love product information. So yes, I was right. Peridot Simulant Gemstone Earrings in 14 karat rose gold over sterling silver. So I don't have to worry about this irritating my ears since I am sensitive to certain materials. Wow. MSRP of $59.99, and I can tell that these are definitely high quality. Like, these are worth the price point, and it's only $35 for this box. So that's amazing. Even if it was just this one pair of earrings that I got, I would be so excited about it. That's awesome. And then the next product in here, everything comes so beautifully packaged. These are some more earrings. Oh, and these ones are like some silver hoops. I was actually thinking recently that I have not worn hoops in a while, and I don't have hoops. So this is really perfect. So I'm so excited about these. And these are a perfect size, like not too big, but still big enough that they give you that, like, you know how like hoops are a vibe? I feel like these will still give me that. So these are the Rhodium over sterling silver classic hoop earrings, MSRP of $39. Yeah, these really are just that perfect size, perfect silver classic hoops that I am so excited about. I feel like everyone needs these, and now I have them. Gosh, I love these too. I don't even know which one I love more, so that I have both of them. I don't even have to choose. And then the third product I got in here, ooh, is this beautiful Lotus necklace. Should put this on. I need a necklace with my top today, but let me show you close up. Here you can see that lotus charm, so pretty and nice and dainty. I really like the length of this as well. That is so pretty. So the Blooming Lotus Flower sterling silver necklace has an MSRP of $49.99. So my total retail price is $134.97. Wow, that is so much value and so worth it. I keep feeling that way about these jewelry box subscriptions. You get such gorgeous pieces for such an amazing deal, and I just love a deal and I love jewelry. So this is just so perfect. I absolutely love this box and I love this company, Silver and Gold. So I'll have this box linked in the description down below, and I'll have their website if you want to check out any of these pieces, any of their subscriptions. But thank you so much to Silver and Gold for sending me this box so that I can have all of these beautiful jewelry pieces that I can't wait to wear. I feel like this box really helps me step up my jewelry game, which is definitely something that I needed to do. So let me know in the comments down below which jewelry piece that I got is your favorite. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.